how to create Roku account. So if you want to create a Roku account, first of all, open up a browser. I'm here with Chrome browser, and then go for Roku. And after searching here, you will have www.roku.com. Click on that. And here, now you can simply go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And here it will take you to sign in page. But to create your account, here you will have create account option. Simply click on create account. And then here, if you are an existing customer, then you can click here. But if you are not, then you have to enter your email address and then your first and last name. And then you have to create a password. So the password must be at least 8 to 160 characters, and it can include letters, numbers, and basic symbols. And if you are 18 years or older, then you can click here. And then you have to click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions. And if you want to receive email from this Roku, then you can click that. And after entering your password, you can simply click on continue. So to make purchases and to add channels, if you want to add a pin, then you can choose pin. But I don't want a pin, so a pin is not required to make any purchases or any channels. And then you can click on continue. So you can set up your Roku Pay by adding your PayPal account. And after adding your PayPal account, like your credit or debit card, you will have two options. One is credit or debit card, and another one is PayPal. So you can choose any option that you would like, and then you can simply go for continue to PayPal if you have used your PayPal, or if you have used your credit or debit card. And after entering this all information, you can simply go for save and continue. And after saving and continue, your account will be created. So that's how you set up a Roku account, and that's how you set up a Roku Pay. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.